It's rolling. Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm up here with another video related to AIIMS BSc Nursing / Paramedical 2024, in which I would be addressing the audience about a very peculiar doubt that people are asking me, Abhishek, that in this remaining time, can we clear this examination provided we have NEET also? And just now, few students have given their board exams. So how can they ace this examination, or even if acing the examination is possible or not in the remaining time? So I will address all of you regarding the same question. And before starting the video, let me remind you that my short notes which I had used to clear the exam within 2 weeks are still available on my Telegram channel. If you want to study from them, you can come and purchase them from me. And if you purchase those short notes from me, I will also guide you on call till the examination one-on-one. Okay, so they are very beneficial. You can just come to Telegram and purchase them from me if you want them, and for your preparation. So let's come to this video. Okay, so many people were asking me that, Abhishek, is it possible to prepare for this examination provided that our board exams just have completed and NEET is on 5th? So we are possibly focusing on NEET also. So how can we just ace this examination? Like, please address the same. So first and foremost, let's see how much time is remaining. So March, as of now when I'm shooting the video, is 27th of March. Okay, so I would say that March is almost over. April, May and 8th of June is the examination for nursing, and 22nd June is the examination for paramedical. Okay, so these are the dates: 8th of June for nursing and 22nd June for paramedical 2024. So it's almost 2 months remaining. It's almost complete 2 months remaining in your hand, and paramedical student 2.5 months remaining for your examination. Okay, so I would say this time is more than enough. It's more than enough. If you're starting from zero, you will face some problems. But if you know the concepts, if you have given the board examinations, if you have given the board examination, it's not like you don't know any concept. So you know things, but you don't have to start from the scratch. Yes, this time is enough. 2.5 months respectively for nursing and paramedical. This time is enough to give this ace this examination, provided seats have immensely increased. As I have made please check out my last video. I have made a video on how seats have increased and how the cutoff will be affected. So yeah, their time is enough to clear this examination. And how to clear this examination, regarding that, let me address you. Again, I would say that for biology and inorganic chemistry, sticking to NCERT will be fantastic. For physics and chemistry, focusing more and more on numericals and solving more and more numericals will be enough. And for physics and physical chemistry, I will say that my short notes will be very beneficial, as because many concepts and numerical concepts and question you can easily ace if you study from them, and they will really help you to grasp the concepts. Okay, so again, physics and physical chemistry focusing on the numericals will be fantastic, and inorganic chemistry and biology only NCERT will do. And for organic chemistry, focus on mechanisms and name reaction, and these will be really fantastic, and this will be just enough to clear this examination. So yeah, time is remaining. Please start studying as soon as possible if you want to really clear this examination. So that's it for today, guys. If you love this video, please consider subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and leave a comment down below regarding all your doubts. And once again, if you want to study from my short notes, you can come to Telegram and purchase them from me. That's it for today, guys. This is me, Abhishek, signing off. Thank you so much.